Almost everyone, especially if you are someone who takes special interest in history or aeroplanes, knows who are the Wright brothers. If you don't know who they are someone most well-known aircraft designers in history. Even though they failed numerous times before they eventually succeeded, they weren't the only ones who tried and failed though. In today's video, we will be seeing some of the biggest failures of aeroplanes which didn't succeed as expected. The first one in the list is the Bell FM-1 Aerocuda. In 1937, the FM-1 was introduced and it was anticipated to be great due to its innovative design and features. One of its positive aspects was where it placed the engines and the guns, because it made easy to be used as a fighter jet. But unfortunately, this plane overheated quickly and had a poor design for the gunner to escape from. Not only this, in addition to this, firing a gun from inside of the plane caused the entire interior to be filled with smoke. Also, the Aerocuda was heavy and was slower than most bombers, and in the event of interception of enemy fighters, this fighter jet was not maneuverable enough to dogfight. Coming to the second one in the list is the Fisher P-75 Eagle. When this plane was being thought up, everyone had very high hopes for it. The plane was made as a symbol of victory, and the 75 was driven from the great war weapon, the French 75mm gun. The eagle is a symbol of America and its mascot is the bald eagle. This aircraft took multiple parts from different planes and combined them to make this one. But unfortunately, it did not perform as well as people were hoping it to, and it ended up being a big letdown. The next one in the list is the Yakovlev Yak-38. Taking inspiration from the British Navy, the Soviet Union made a plane which they called as Yak-38. Unfortunately, the Soviet version of the British plane didn't live up to the expectations. Though outwardly similar to the British Hawker Siddeley Harrier aircraft, it followed a completely different configuration. Together with a vectorable thrust engine in the rear used during the flight, two smaller and less powerful engines were housed in the front portion of the fuselage and used purely for takeoff and landing. But these things were not functioning as expected. Coming to the next one is the Douglas DC-10. With 55 accidents resulting in many deaths, this is arguably one of the worst planes ever created. The problem with this plane was that the doors opened outward and not inward, which made it very difficult, if not possible, to properly close. During a flight in 1972, the door opened mid-air, and this happened again in 1974 as well. Not only this, in 1979, a wing fell off this plane during takeoff. The next aircraft which we are going to see is MiG-23. Though thousands of Soviet-built MiG-23 served in many air forces, it was never as popular as the MiG-21, the fighter it was intended to replace. Similar to other planes, the older model of this one was much more popular than the newer one. The updated version had a much smaller cockpit and a far more restricted view. After the Cold War, the MiG-23 was retired, but the 21 is even still being used today. The next aircraft in the list is the Lockheed Martin VH-71. AgustaWestland and Lockheed Martin started to market this plane in the United States in 2002. This plane seemed to be so amazing that the Marine Corps even suggested it to be used to transport the president. Unfortunately, the price point moved from 6.1 billion to 11.2 billion US dollars just a few years later, which was not realistic, and due to this chopper was a failure. The next aircraft in the list is the Tupolev Tu-144. The Tu-144 suffered from reliability and development issues, and with the 1973 Paris Air Show crash, restricted the viability for regular use. The Tu-144 was introduced into passenger service with Aeroflot between Moscow and Almaty on 26 December 1975, but it was withdrawn less than 3 years later after a second Tu-144 crashed and retired on 1st June 1978. Though it can reach 1200 miles per hour, it also failed quite often, which is why plenty of people actually went out of their way to avoid flying on this plane. So we saw how the history of aviation is littered with aircraft that failed to live up to the expectations. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.